In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user in ClickUp. Let's start inside your ClickUp workspace. Make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you have access to multiple ones. Adding users applies to the workspace you're currently viewing, so it's worth taking a second to confirm the workspace name in the top area of your screen. From here, head to the top left corner and click your profile or workspace icon. This opens a menu with your account options. In that menu, choose People. The people area is where you manage everyone who has access to your workspace, from teammates to guests and admins. On the people page, you'll see a search bar. Use this to quickly check if the person you want to add is already in the workspace, or to review existing members before inviting someone new. It's a simple way to avoid duplicates and to confirm who's already onboarded. When you're ready to add someone, click Invite People. This opens the invitation panel. Select Invite by email and type the email address of the person you want to add. If you're inviting multiple people, you can paste several email addresses separated by commas. Double-check spelling and domains here. It's a common place for typos that cause missed invitations. Next, choose Invite As. This is where you set the appropriate role. Member is a good default for teammates who will actively work on tasks, create items, and collaborate across spaces. Limited member or chat collaborator is designed for contributors who only need restricted access, such as chatting or lightweight collaboration without full project permissions. Guest is ideal for clients or external partners who only need access to specific shared items, keeping the rest of your workspace private. Admin grants full control over settings, billing, and permissions, so reserve this for trusted workspace managers. Once you've selected the right role, click Send Invite. The invite will be emailed to the recipient and they'll appear as pending until they accept. If they don't see the message, have them check spam or filtered folders. You can always revisit the people page to resend an invite or adjust a role later if needed. Finally, if you need a quick record of who's in your workspace, click Export on the people page. This is helpful for audits, reporting, or reviewing seat usage and can include pending invitations so you have a complete snapshot of access. That's it. You've navigated to people, searched, invited by email, selected the right role, sent the invite, and exported your list for reference.